I'm a builder, but I will tell you this. We got our shed. The booklet was this thick. I hated it. I tried to go page by page. Then I called up customer service. They said, go use BILT every step of the way. It ended up that my wife built the shed. I just held the things up. She did the screwing, everything using BILT. Amazing.
Wonderful.
Loved it.
What was the brand?
Oh, wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute.
We have a few. Lifetime?
Well, yeah, Lifetime.
Say it again.
Lifetime sheds. All right, it was the bigger 8 by 15 or 8 by 17. And if it wasn't for my wife looking at this BILT, we wouldn't have gotten it done.
If you saw BILT on a different product, would it encourage you to buy it?
Absolutely. For a do-it-yourselfer, amazing.
Awesome. What do you like about it?
Everything. Simplicity. Go back. Zoom in. Zoom out. You can 3D and space it out. Hey, am I putting on the left or am I putting on the right piece? You know exactly what to look for. It's amazing.
Awesome.